Hey guys, welcome to my very first YouTube voiceover video. So, firstly, I start off by pushing the cuticles, then I remove them, gently remove them. Yeah, then I take my nail driller and I put it on the speed of very, very low speed of two. Then, yeah, we remove the shine on the natural nail. Then, yes. So usually I prefer to buy square tips because with square tips you can create any shape. You can make almond, coffin, stiletto or any shape. Then before I draw or design, I make sure that I start by applying a base coat. I feel like it makes everything easier and smooth drawings. Then I cure it for 60 seconds. So as you can see, I'm using the magnets to measure the length of the plant, and it makes everything quicker and easier for me when I'm cutting the tips. So in here, my client wanted a coffin shape, so I'm using a hand filer to make the shape that is 100 to 180 grit, and I'm using the hard side of the filer to make the shape. Another thing that I've learned as a beginner nail tech is that for a good retention, make sure that you don't flood the cuticles when you are busy with application. Make sure that there's no acrylic touching the skin. The acrylic should only be on the nails for good results of the retention, and to avoid the nails to lift very quickly. So now I'm using my driller and I'm going around near the cuticles to seal them. By sealing it means that you make sure that there's no acrylic that is touching the skin. And yeah, the speed it was on 15, and then I go again with my hand filer for the last time, just to smooth everything. It doesn't mean that when you have a driller you don't use filers. You still have to use a hand filers just to smooth out everything and reshape where it's needed, and then yes, you're done. Okay guys, so that's how all the sets came out. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys on another video, and you can follow me on the socials. And yeah, I'll talk to you on another video. Bye.